Welcome back to our channel. So in today's session, I would like to show you how to use the Linux terminal in Windows 10. So most of you are studying the engineering or any degree. So if you are having the subject Unix or Linux, you need to practice the commands of Unix or Linux. So but if you are having the Windows operating system and if you are not having the Linux operating system, so you need not worry. So you can use the Linux terminal in Windows 10. Now first go to the control panel. So go to the control panel and there you will be finding the programs and features, right? So click on the programs and features, and on the left menu you will find this turn Windows features on or off. You just click on this turn Windows features on or off. So you will get a lot of options here with the checkboxes, and you need to select one checkbox. So just wait. So it will display all the options. See, just scroll down. At the bottom you will find the option called Windows Subsystem for Linux. So make sure it should be selected, right? So if by default it will be not in a selected mode, so just select that checkbox and click on OK, so that it will apply the changes, it will find the requirements, it will apply the changes, and it will ask you to reboot the system. So once you reboot the system, go to the Play Store. You'll find the Play Store here, right? So you can directly search for the Play Store. So Microsoft Store. So click on that store. So the store will be open, and here in search bar you just, so you can find here search. So click on the search, and here you just search with the keyword called Linux. So Linux, search with the Linux keyword, so that you will be find a lot of Linux environments. See, Kali Linux, Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, Ubuntu, SUSE Linux. So like this you will be finding a lot of Linux environments. So here you just go with the Ubuntu. Okay, just click on the Ubuntu. So it will be open and you just install the Ubuntu. See, you will find, you will open this Ubuntu. So here you can find the install and click on this install, so that the application, the Ubuntu, will be installed in your system. So you need to wait for some time. So you can observe here starting download, and once it was downloaded, you can use the Ubuntu terminal, the Linux terminal in Windows 10. So this may take some time, so please wait till it completes its installation. So meanwhile, you can subscribe to our channel. So you can execute all the commands which you can use in the Linux environment, that can be used here itself. So you are not installing the complete operating system, so just we are using the terminal. Okay, so the Linux terminal will be get installed. So you can observe here installing Ubuntu. So once it was completed, you can observe, so we'll get the launch. So if you close this one, you can find it in the menu. Okay, start menu. So you can observe here Ubuntu. So click on this Ubuntu. So you can get the message, the installing. This may take a few minutes. So just wait for a few minutes. So this is a one-time installation. So this is the first time we have opened the Ubuntu, so it may take some time. So you can observe here, it is prompting for a new Unix username. I will give the username as Sundeep Saradhi, and then it will asking for the password. I am giving some password, so you need to remember that password. So retype the password. So password updated successfully. So here you can observe, we'll get the terminal. Yes. So you can observe here, this is a Linux terminal. I am using the clear option, so it will clear everything. So if you want to execute the programs, you can open the editor, VA editor. So it will open the VA editor, right? So I will simply execute the say I'm saving here. Sorry. Right. So I will execute this one, Python 3 dot py. So you can observe. So we have executed the thing. So we can also execute the directories and all these things we will use. So this is the Linux environment, that means terminal, Linux terminal. Here you can use the commands or you can practice the programs, right? So this is how we can use the Linux terminal in Windows 10. So just exit this one and just open it. So it will prompt for the password. Sorry. So directly we got the terminal, and here you can use the thing, right? So you can use the commands. So present working directory and all these things. Any command you can execute and you can practice the programs in this terminal, right? So hope you enjoyed the session. So if you really understood my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.